Hey, this is David Bradley, training facilitator and coach with Grant Cardone here. I got your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. Today's tip is what or who is worry for? Worry, I'm worried about, right? I'm worried. Let me tell you who worry is for. Worry is for amateurs. Anything that you are not sure about, confident about, competent about will cause you worry. Professionals don't worry. You know what professionals do? They get better. And this has been your Tuesday sales tip in under 2 minutes. For more information about our brand new coaching program, which will eliminate all worry from your life, shoot an email out to david@grantcardone.com, call 310-777-0352, or hop on over to cardonesolutions.com/coaching. That's cardonesolutions.com/coaching. cardonesolutions.com/coaching, and be great, because nothing else pays.